from Diwan Institute of Management Studies. He is a guide for PhD, undergraduate and postgraduate students for their research work. He has published more than 20 research papers in international and national journals and conferences. He has participated in various national and international seminars and conferences as keynote speaker. Presently, he is working as Director Management with BIT Group of Institutions. He is the member of Planning and Development. For the group, along with Board of Trustees, he has been appointed by AICTE for inspection and approval of the institutions. Apart from the above, he has been on advanced computing and communication technology. The objective of ICA CCT 2013 is to provide a forum for sharing insights, experiences, and interaction on various facts of evolving technologies and patterns related to computer science and engineering, information technology, electronics and communication, instrumentation, electrical, mechanical, and management. I would also like to add that our college has been conducting the IEEE International Conference since 2005, and this is going to be the 7th international conference. Now I would like to state the rules for the paper presentation. The rules are as follows. Firstly, you will be given 10 minutes for presenting your paper. Secondly, after 10 minutes, there will be 2 minutes for the question session from the audience and the chairpersons. Thirdly, you will be given a warning after 10 minutes when you will have to conclude your presentation. Thank you all for the patient hearing. Now I would like to call upon Bhagyashree for announcing the name of the participants.
Gurpreet Kaur, Manisha Yadav, Anshi Bhardwaj, Neeta Sharma, Dimple Bajaj and Manju Chaudhary, then Arun Pasrija, Meenakshi Bansal, Amandeep Singh, Meenakshi Bansal, Preeti Chauhan, Prachi Ahlawat, and Suman Lata, ma'am. Then that's all. So,
my name is Priyanka Sharma. I have done my Masters from Food Science and Nutrition from Delhi Indian College, University of Delhi. Presently, I am working with Food Safety and Standards Authority of India as Technical Officer. I have worked in my thesis work under the supervision of Dr. Shamini Sehgal. She is from Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Science in University of Delhi. My topic is Microbiological Assessment of Food and Water at various preschools of Delhi. In this, I have selected 2 areas, basically East Delhi and Central Delhi. As we all know, food safety is a big global issue which has many international as well as national implications. Food impacts our daily life. It has an impact from the consumer till it reaches to the retailer hand. So the wholesomeness of food has 2 criteria. First of all, it should be nutritive in nature, like it should be free from all the contaminants, colorings, pesticide residues, as well as from residues. This is the overview of my presentation. First, I will be taking you to review of literature, then rationale, then objectives, then study design, then whatever tools I have utilized in my study, then methodology, then final conclusion. Now, this is a review of literature. A recent survey has been done by Integrated Disease Surveillance Project, National Center for Disease Control, which has showed 18 states had food-related outbreaks. Results have showed gastroenteritis, which is a common cause of diarrhea and constipation in young children, was a major impact in children. Now, another incident, it is a New Delhi, only 2010. In 2 separate incidents, 282 students of a MCD primary school at Zolapur South Zone and 22 in civil lines were suspected to have fallen sick after consuming a midday meal served at the school. Recently, there is a big, food poisoning case in Bihar. It was due to the adulteration as well as pesticide residues in oil.
Database in deployment of transactional applications in cloud. This is the transactional applications in cloud issues and why in-memory databases should be used, and then it proposes the uses of IMDG for transactional application in cloud. Cloud computing